Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix edgegdi.dll was not found. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error code edgegdi.dll was not found on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just press Windows plus R key, or you can just directly right click on your start menu, then click on run. Here you need to type %windir%, then hit enter. Here you need to find syswow64, the folder name, which is, you can see syswow64. You have to open this folder, scroll down, copy any DLL file, and you have to paste it in the same folder. Then click on continue. Then you have to rename this file. Right click on that, click on show more option, then click on rename. Rename this file as edgegdi.dll. Then hit enter. After that, close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix error code edge.dll was not found on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.